Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix an Roblox issue. So the problem which I am facing is that when I am opening my Roblox application, then our Roblox application is showing an error with an error code 529. So we are going to fix this issue, and if you are also having the same, then watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So when I'm trying to open my Roblox application, it is showing a pop-up message which is showing a join error like this. So first of all, let's discuss that why we are facing this issue. The error code 529 is a sign that the Roblox server is going under routine maintenance. This can be seen on the pop-up message too, that we are experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later, error code 529. Now let's talk about the solutions. So as I told you, this happened because Roblox server is down due to maintenance, and you simply have to wait. In spite of this, you can check your internet connection and also check your VPN. And if you are using Roblox via web browser, then close your web browser, clear cache and log in again. And also make sure that your device meet Roblox minimum system requirement. These are some ways that you can try, but mostly you need to wait. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.